Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a crochet install using hair from HOTBRAIDS. They sent over their 18-inch 4A 4B Exotic Afro Kinky Coily hair in natural black. All you need is one bundle for a full head. This is human hair attached to a gentle string for a seamless blend and natural appearance. This hair was exclusively made for type 3 and 4 hair, so whether you're natural, transitioning, or relaxed, they have different textures to match you. But y'all, they also sent an infinity spray bottle, a crochet hook, a rat tail parting comb, a brush, some clips, and an edge brush. Oh, and they also sent a tote bag. So I went ahead and braided my hair down. I have my hair parted in 3 sections for 3 parts, 1 in the middle and 2 deep side parts for my leave out. And I also have the perimeter of my hair sectioned off for the leave out. So this is the crochet hook. It has a latch that's easy to open and close, so it's pretty simple to use. And this is what the hair is looking like after I washed and conditioned it. It's actually really soft. So this is just one piece of hair with the string attachment. And y'all, this hair is very full. I didn't even end up using the entire bundle. So be very sparingly with this hair. You can actually put more hair at the top than the back and you'll still have a full head. Okay, to install this hair, you want to open the latch of the hook. You want to stick the hook through the braid, attach the string onto the hook. Then you want to close the latch and pull the hook back through the braid. Then unlatch the hook and remove the string from the hook. Next, you want to hold the string and open it to send the hair through and then pull it down. And there we have it. I'm going to do it a couple more times so you can get the gist of it. So this is what it's looking like. I'm going to do the rest off camera and come back once I've reached the top. See, I told y'all this hair was full. I still have plenty left over. I have 1 section left over, and I think I'm going to add about 6 or 7 on here. So I'm all done with the installation, and as you can see, I have the 3 parts left out, the middle and the side parts, and then the perimeter. Next, I'm going to detangle and style it. So after detangling, I'm going in with my Mousse Def Texture Foam Styling Mousse, and then I'm going to go on top of that with my Eco Styler Gel. So I feel like the mousse did a good job of defining the curls, but the gel really got the curls to pop. But I'm a little concerned about the ends. I may need to focus on them a little more. So this is what the curls are looking like so far. I feel like they can be better, so I do have a solution. I'm gonna take my shears and clip the ends right on off. Like, do y'all see the difference a tiny trim can make when it comes to defining your curls? That is a big difference. The curls are definitely popping now. And I just wanted to show y'all the texture here. The hair is very soft, it's just the ends make it hard to detangle, so definitely give them a little trim. So I went ahead and twisted up my leave out on all 3 parts, and then I'm going to let it dry overnight. This is what the curls are looking like. Let's hope it stays this way by the morning. So it's not looking bad. I went ahead and clipped down my leave out to help elongate it so it can better blend with the extensions. I'd say these extensions are a perfect match for my natural curl pattern. So to blend my hair, I'm just taking my natural hair and twisting it with the extensions to make it look as natural as possible. I'm going to lay down my edges and then we'll be good to go. So these are my results. I really like this hair, y'all. I think it blends super well and the hair is super soft. I'm going to see how long the curls hold up, and I just know it's going to get bigger throughout the day. So I like the side part look, but I did leave the perimeter out to try out different styles. So I did try this half up, half down look, and I think this one is my favorite. Crochet hairstyles can be super versatile when you have a perimeter leave out. You can throw your hair in a high puff or a messy bun, and I would definitely wear my hair like this when I'm working out. Let me know which style is your favorite. If you would like to purchase hair from HOTBRAIDS, you can click the link in my description, and you can use code MWAG for money off. As always, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!